final instrument I'm going to show you is what is called an inductively coupled plasma spectrometer, or for short, an ICP. Now the ICP is different than the first two instruments that I showed you guys. The GCMS and the HPLC are two instruments that let me analyze and see compounds. So a compound is any big structure of different elements put together, such as water or alcohol or any carbon compounds, fat, anything that our cells are made up of compounds, everything, that's what they can see. The ICP lets me see individual elements that are in my sample. Now they can't be part of a compound, they need to be free elements. And for the most part, what we use our ICP for is to analyze for metals in our solutions. So the way the ICP does this is it is basically a big old flame. It's a little loud in here because I have the vent on so I can run this so you guys can see it. But I'll open this up first to show you what's going to be going on. When I light this, you're going to see a big flame right in here. And that flame is going to, the solutions are going to go through that flame and they're going to get really excited and they're going to give off light when they come down from being excited. And that is how I analyze my solutions, is I look for that light that comes off. So let's run this for you guys just so you can get a look and see what's going on. So that's my auto sampler. Let me get this lit. Alright, so it's getting ready to light. Give it a few seconds, but basically it's that thing right there sucks up my solutions and it follows all the way over here through this little pump here and it comes into this spray chamber and it gets sprayed. Let's see if it'll focus. Whoop. Alright, that lit. Okay, so it'll get sprayed in there and then it comes in, and now remember when I opened this and there was no light there? Now that in there is kind of hard to see because there's a protective screen there. But that is a really, 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 really hot flame. Hotter than anything you could ever produce in your kitchen or a fire or anything like that. That flame's going to excite everything that's in my sample, and that's going to let me, when it comes down, there's a detector in this instrument and that's going to let me know what's in there. So we use this to look for different metals, different elements that are in my sample. And so that is everything that I do here. There's the rest of my lab. I have a couple different scales that are used to weigh everything. That's some of this stuff over here is for me to prepare my samples for analysis. But that is the majority of what I do as a chemist. I use everything I've learned all the way since elementary school chemistry up and through college to do all of the work that I do here. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask Miss Pritz and I will do my best to answer them. But that is an idea of what I do here as a chemist for Copcoat. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great day.